So we're gonna do something really fun today. We're gonna go rollerblading at a place I call El Sabo. It's a very beautiful nature preserve in Kalamazoo, Michigan. And I just wanted to rollerblade a little bit, and I wanted to get some cool footage and see how it turned out. Let's do this. Hey guys, I'm gonna change into my regular shoes and I'll be right back. You know, every time I'm in nature, I have the same thought. We are so lucky to be living in the world we're living in right now. And I get it. This year hasn't been that good. It's 2020, COVID, Kobe died. A lot of horrible things have happened in the United States and the rest of the world. But the fact is, we're alive right now. And that's something that always amazes me. We could have been born 1,000 years ago where all we were farmers and we just farm all day long. Or we were, we could have just been peasants or something like that. And I think it's astounding that we were born in this time frame when we still have so much more freedom, so much more time than any other human in history has ever had. When you look at the past and you see the kings back in the day and how lucky they were to be kings and stuff, their technology and their life still was horrible compared to our life. We have something that a lot of people don't have. We have technology and we still have time. So that's the best part right now. We have so much time, but there's only one problem. Time is always going forward. You can never get that time back. So the real question is this. Another one of these. You are right here. You always have goals to right here. Let's say that's like 58 and I'm 26. So my goal right here is to have 1 million and almost ready to retire. But look at all of this time I still have to reach that goal. And let's say each one of these check marks, I don't have enough time, but each one of these check marks is a year. And then during that year, you have mini goals. And then obviously in those years, you could do smaller and smaller and say half a year, then mini goals of half a year. And the whole point is with this is that no matter what, with that artwork I showed and the goal we have, it's always moving forward, no matter what. So my thing is, what are you doing to achieve your goals? What am I doing? One of my goals is daily vlogging and making content for you guys because I know every single day is a day I lost that I can't improve myself on. I can't improve certain goals or other accomplishments. And that's what you guys need to look at too. What can you do every day to make those little baby steps to reach that big giant goal in that picture that I showed you guys? What are all the goals you have to make starting now to get to this? I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys can get some goals down too, just like me.